My gosh, guys, what a weekend it has been. I've literally been up at Wonderland 4 days in a row: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and today, Sunday. All of you guys might think that I'm absolutely insane and crazy and literally have no life. That's literally what it sounds like. But I can assure you that I was up there for a reason. Regardless of that, this was Tundra Twister going vertical. This was literally the first day that it started going vertical. I think this was Thursday, so this was from a while ago, but I tried to include all the different phases of it going up. So you see this was Thursday, and then the next photo is of Friday, and you can see the other support also went up when I didn't even realize it. I think when I was at the park, and then I looked when I was like, oh shoot, the other one went up, and I went back and flew, and the cranes were holding them up for a while. And then this was from today. I don't think I got a photo from yesterday, Saturday. This was from today, Sunday. Both supports were now up, and you can see that, yes, indeed, the white supports are temporary. They are just used to hold the two V frames together. I don't know, I'm using V frames because V frames are the supports that are used from Yukon, but they are holding the two supports together so that they don't collapse downwards. And as they finish off that, there are some other pieces like the motor and the gear that will go on top of that will hold everything together. And then it forms that pyramid shape, and the gondola arm will be in the middle, and that will be able to rotate around. So the pyramid structure itself is about half the size of Yukon Zero G Winder. But I'm assuming, including the gondola arm, it will be roughly the same size of that Zero G Winder, or if not taller, which is going to be crazy because you can already see the structure from the skyline as you're driving along the 400. It's crazy, guys. This thing's huge. The next photo I posted on here was the pump house. They started putting that together, and they haven't completely started putting the slide together. That I'm not sure when that will be starting, but I will catch that when that happens. Other than that, it's really difficult to see Snoopy's Racing Railway from the angle I was at. I did not drive by that area or take photos, but they've completed the second launch. They've completed the turn. Literally everything after the second launch. There's a high bank turn, a helix, and then the brake run. And then they've completed everything leading up to the second launch, so it kind of ducks underneath this one rising element after the second launch, and then does a little S bend, and then second launch. The drive tires are all installed. And really all they have to do left is finish the station, the first launch, and that first bank turn. So I thought I'd insert some more testing footage to kind of cap off the weekend, because I do have a lot more testing footage of Leviathan and Behemoth. The rides were cycling Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I caught some more from today and yesterday that I have not posted yet. So I did want to say, though, that I know Leviathan has only been running 2 trains. I don't know if it'll have the third train for opening day or Passover day. I seriously have no idea, like, at all. Behemoth was running 2 trains today because I don't think the third train was put on. But all the 3 trains on Behemoth were commissioned, though. I can assure you that. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for next weekend. Yukon Striker, Dragonfire, Backlot Stunt Coaster, Flight Deck, Wild Beast, Drop Tower will all be cycling next weekend. Stay tuned for next weekend, guys. But as of right now, you guys can enjoy Skyhawk, Behemoth, and Leviathan all doing some cycles for you. Alright, so sit back, relax, and enjoy, guys.